Hey guys, I'm out of the hospital. I was in there for 3 days. COVID hit me really hard.
With celebrities, athletes, and politicians sharing their stories of contracting COVID even after being fully vaccinated, it may seem like so-called breakthrough cases are becoming the norm. While it is a small but growing number, many experts say the term breakthrough incorrectly implies that the vaccines don't work.
There is no vaccine in the world that completely protects you from every infection. Importantly, what they are supposed to do is to protect us against severe disease.
So just how many COVID cases are there among the fully vaccinated? Tracking can be difficult, partly because the CDC no longer tracks many asymptomatic and mild cases. But the agency does monitor hospitalizations and deaths from so-called breakthroughs, which indicate just how rare terrible outcomes really are. As of last week, the CDC says just over 10,000 required hospitalization, with slightly more than 2,500 deaths among fully vaccinated symptomatic COVID patients. That's a tiny fraction, though, compared to the more than 180 million Americans who are fully vaccinated, and more than 675,000 overall COVID deaths just in the U.S. Still, catching the coronavirus can be concerning for anyone. Kathleen Hipps received 2 shots of Moderna's vaccine last spring, then contracted COVID in July.
I really didn't think I was that sick. It just kind of felt like a typical cold. And then it just kept deteriorating.
Despite getting sick and having some lingering symptoms, Kathleen is still grateful her bout with COVID wasn't worse.
I have 2 little boys. I can't imagine them growing up without a mother. I can't imagine how much worse it would have been for me if I had not had the vaccine.
Some experts are warning we could see more breakthrough cases in the coming months, partly because vaccine immunity is waning for some, also due to the ongoing spread of the Delta variant, especially among the unvaccinated. It's also why vaccine makers are pointing to data that they say shows booster shots could be a helpful tool in preventing more cases in the fall. But other scientists argue that while protection against mild disease may somewhat decrease over time, the vaccine effectiveness at preventing severe disease or death endures.
These vaccines are amazingly protective against getting severe disease, landing in the hospital, and dying from COVID.
Tom, you just mentioned there the breakthrough cases and severe disease, but what do we know about the likelihood of becoming one of those so-called COVID long haulers from a breakthrough case?
It seems to be rather rare that breakthrough cases turn into long-haul cases where people are sick for months on end. Yet a new study out of the British medical journal The Lancet finds fully vaccinated people with breakthrough cases are 50% less likely to experience long-haul than the unvaccinated. And as a reminder, long-haul COVID, as we've reported many times, can be debilitating. Lung and heart issues, brain fog, but again, far less likely in people fully vaccinated who contract a breakthrough case, guys.
All right, that's good to know. Tom, thanks for that.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.